Hey guys, welcome to another video. Um, it's another video for Australian silver dollars, basically. I did the first video, if you have already watched it. That wasn't filmed properly because I had issues with my desk and all that. So I introduced some improvements so that you can see everything properly. So as you can see now, I have tried to set up all my camera and everything properly. So here it is again, or set, which is a box. First of all, it comes with a box like this one. Oops. And if you can look here, it says the 2020 early issue Australian silver dollar set. So the very first step is to open the drawer. I'll make sure that you can see things properly. And here's the key. I really like the key. It looks really nice. If you put it here, it looks really nice. So yeah, that's the key for it. And then it comes with a certificate of authentication. It says the 2020 early issue Australian silver dollar set. We hope you are enjoying building the 2020 early issue Australian silver dollar set. Top grading company PCGS have certified the silver dollar as an early release, as well as grading it as near perfect MS69. We affix your coin in its seal protective case to this shipping card with a small glue dot to remove twist case to separate. Anyways, we are not going to remove it. So yeah, that is the, you can say, certificate of authentication. So now we're going to use this key and open this box. Okay, and there we go. So that's how it opens up and looks like. I'll just check in preview if it looks alright. Okay, you can't see it properly, so you can see it now. Okay, so that's how it looks like. And yeah, at the bottom, yeah, it has PCS stamps and coins. Thus, it produced this box. So after that, let's get the first coin. The Australian Kookaburra, $1 silver, 1990 to 2020, Australia, Elizabeth II, PCGS, and then QR code. On here it says Australian Kookaburra, 30th anniversary, and yeah, so that's one coin. Now a 1 ounce coin. And the second one is, oops, that happens every time in last video as well. That's the last video, it was Kookaburra, this time it's Koala. So yeah, again, early issue Australia, PCGS, MS69, $1, 2020 proof coin, Australian Koala, 2020, 1 ounce, 99.99 silver, and then Queen Elizabeth II, and $1. And here we have the Kangaroo, again early issue Australia, PCGS, MS69, $1 coin. And on this side we got Queen Elizabeth, $1. It looks different on this one. If you look at that one, all of them have actually, yeah, on this one there is, Kookaburra with Queen Elizabeth on both sides. On here we got Queen Elizabeth II, and on this one as well, but these two are two different designs. So yeah, these are 3 Australian silver dollars in a case we have for sale. And if you want to get them, you can visit coinry.co.uk and buy them. The thing with early issue coins is what makes them special is that these are graded by PCGS within the 30 days of their release in the US. So whenever they're released within 30 days, they are graded by PCGS. So that's what gives them early issue status. And yeah, apart from that, these are the early pieces which were released. That's what makes them special. So if you want to grab this piece, feel free to check our website, and even if you're looking for any other coins, you can check those out. And also, if you're liking our videos, you can subscribe to our channel, coiner.co.uk. I just realized today I don't ask people to subscribe or like a video and stuff like that. It's first time asking me asking you guys to subscribe and maybe give us a like, so that that helps us to understand actually the content I'm creating. It's actually working as well. You guys enjoying it. So if you want to see more, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next video. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.